Hello, and thank you again for working with me on getting everything I needed for you. So I'm doing the screencast so that I can show you the student feedback criteria. I spoke with my long-term sub, and although I'm not allowed to communicate directly with students and parents right now because I am on maternity leave, she did tell me that she would allow me to grade the projects and give them feedback and then email that feedback to them. That way she could be CC'd on the email and so she can see exactly what I did and see any conversation or be aware of the conversations happening between me and the kids in case the kids need to ask her any questions. So what I did was she sent me all of their um projects parts 1, 2, and 3, and I went through and I graded all of them. Um and then I emailed them, I inboxed them with their feedback and the rubric that I provided with them. So for instance, here I just told them here's the email and here is their rubric. And at the very bottom of this student's rubric, and I did this for every student, is their total and for the 3 parts, and then any comments. So what did they do? If there was anything wrong, what they did wrong, so that they can fix them. Because the sub is going to allow them to go back and make changes to parts 1, 2, and 3 based on my feedback before they turn in parts 4 and 5 and the whole project together. So this was one student. They did really well. I had another student um, that also did very well. So, but there was different errors, and I went through with this feedback and told them what they weren't able to do. This student had manipulated the form, like he had changed letters in the formula, which they weren't allowed to do, um, and had some errors with opposite operations and rounding. Um, so I was able to get feedback to my students before they had to turn the whole project in so that they are able to go back and make those changes before they turn the whole project in. Um, and I know that we spoke about being able to see what they're doing online and how much time they're spending online. So, unfortunately, it doesn't show me exactly how much time my students are spending online. But if I go to a student, I can go to their new analytics and it will show me their grade, but it also shows me their weekly online activities, which here, and when I click on them, so this is, they viewed my page total of 66 times. They viewed the page 134 times. And when you click on it, it actually tells you what they viewed and how many times they viewed that page. So that way I'm able to see and make sure that they are actually keeping up with what they're supposed to be keeping up with as far as the online part of the course. So, but those were the two things that I know we spoke about for me to screencast for you. If you need anything else, please let me know and I will be more than happy to try and get my sub to work with me on getting what we need. So thank you. I do really appreciate it again, and have a great day.